The Renault 5 E-Tech is an electric version of the iconic Renault 5, which was originally a popular hatchback in the 1970s and 1980s. Renault unveiled the concept version of the 5 E-Tech in 2021, and it's part of the brand's strategy to revive its historic model lineup with electric propulsion. Here's a breakdown of key details regarding the electric version. 1. Design. The Renault 5 E-Tech retains the retro-inspired styling of the original, but with modern touches. The design has a more compact and sporty look, with bold lines and round headlights. Exterior dimensions. It is similar in size to the original 5, but offers modern proportions that reflect current design trends. 2-point electric powertrain. Motor. The Renault 5 E-Tech is expected to feature a fully electric powertrain, similar to other Renault electric vehicles, EVs, like the Zoe. It will likely use an electric motor delivering around 100 to 130 horsepower, offering a balance of performance and efficiency for urban driving. Battery. While specific figures for battery capacity haven't been fully confirmed, the range is expected to be around 250 to 300 kilometers, 155 to 186 miles. On a single charge, depending on the final production specifications. 3. Interior. The interior will have a blend of retro style and modern tech. Expect a clean, minimalist cabin with modern digital displays, including a central infotainment screen. Materials will be more sustainable and eco-friendly compared to older models. 4th. Technology and features. Infotainment. A large touchscreen, potentially with the Renault OpenR infotainment system, offering smartphone integration, navigation, and voice control. Driver assistance. It's likely to include advanced driver assistance features, such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and parking sensors. 5. Production and release. Renault has confirmed plans to put the production model into production by March 2024 to 2025. It will be built on the SCMF-BEV platform, the same platform used by the Renault 4 E-Tech, ensuring efficiency and sustainability. 6th. Price. While pricing is still to be finalized, the Renault 5 E-Tech is expected to be positioned as an affordable urban electric car, aiming to compete with models like the Fiat 500 Electric and Mini Electric. The price might start around 20,000 to 25,000 euros, depending on the market and the final specifications. Are you excited about this model or just curious about its specs?